Hi everyone, this is Dan from Epic Test Prep, and this is your Tuesday tip for March 7th. Now, we've spent a few weeks discussing SAT reading strategies, and today I want to talk about math as far as the SAT and the ACT. There are some critical differences between those two tests, but both require a high level of awareness of content and strategy. Today, I forgot to shave. It was a minor mistake, but one which made me pause for just a moment to say, is it worth going back in and doing? I said right away, no. I looked fairly presentable, and it just wasn't worth the extra 5-10 minutes this morning when I had a lot of other things going on. Likewise, when a student is taking the SAT or the ACT math test, he or she is going to make many mistakes. Most, will be fairly minor, and some will be a little more critical. The important thing to remember is that a mistake is not the end of the game. It's just the point at which a student must make a strategic decision, whether to guess or to reinvest. As for guessing, if a student has gotten to a point where they chose the wrong answer and realized that they chose the wrong answer, they may think it's not worth the extra minute or 2 minutes to redo the entire problem to fix that mistake. In such cases, the student can look at the remaining options and choose the most logical remaining choice. If the question is a question that the student absolutely must have because it's the easiest question left and all the questions are getting much, much harder, then it's absolutely worth that extra time. So if you've spent a minute or so working out a math problem and you realize you've made a pretty important mistake, ask yourself one question. If I spend another minute, will I definitely get it right? If the answer is yes, then absolutely reinvest that time and spend another minute or so. If the answer is maybe or no, then make an educated guess and move on without any hesitation. Remember, there are a couple of math problems that 99% of students will get wrong. So if you're not going to get a question right, regardless of how long you take on it, it's better to have a little bit of time to reinvest into questions where you've made a simple mistake, but you know you can get that point. It's better to invest time where you have a guaranteed point at the end of the tunnel than to worry about whether the mistake is going to cost you while you're attempting one of those 1% problems. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have an epic week. I'll see you next time.